It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, bumped his head, couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went.
What's going on, guys? Today I will be doing a live unboxing video of the Zobie XL box. I was one of the lucky ones to snag one of these. Friday they released it. It sold out in 2.5 minutes. They had 50 horror related, and they only did 10 pop culture theme. And of course, I'm a big horror buff, so I was able to snag one of these XL boxes. These come with 3 signed items for $120. You guys cannot beat that price. I do not even know how they make out on selling these. I could have a chance at pulling masks, movie props, some signed prints, and yeah. So I'm going to get into this. I did some rearranging in the office. Hung up some stuff, kicked the wife out. She had her little makeup set up and jewelry. It's the only room that I was able to take over, so I'm very happy to have my own room finally. But we are going to crack this baby open. Again, it's the XL box from Zobie. This thing sold out real fast. My fingers, I didn't even know my fingers could work that quick. 2.5 minutes. So we are going to crack this open and see what we get. I could get some signed Funkos, some signed masks. I'm really hoping for a mask. If not, they have a community page where I could go on and I could trade. So, again, this is the Zobie XL box. Make sure you guys like them and follow them. Also, another good page to follow is Vintage Authentics. They do white elephants. They do horror breaks where you can buy spots, kind of like, you know, like waffles. But let's open this up and see what we get. I'm very pumped on this box. I bought it Friday and it is here today. It's Monday, so I can already tell you that I'm going to be happy because I did receive a zombie Batman mask signed by Kevin Conroy. Shelf. Very nice. $120, guys. I think he put like 12 or 13 of these in there. So that's cool. I mean, it's horror, so I mean, he is, you know, a zombie, but I like it. So that was a good pull. All right, next, let's see what else we get out of there. Oh, yes. first item I pulled. It's a Kevin Conroy zombie Batman. This is the only thing. I'm gonna put him on one of my little heads up on the shelf that I bought. This you're gonna like. I got the Jackson Robert Scott. I believe that's the one. I got the Georgie hand. Hiya, Georgie. Very cool. Got a certificate of authenticity. This is, I believe it's for the hand. I'm not sure if it's for the hand or the mask. Very cool. I wanted it to jump out of the box, you know, and wrap around my neck. But and then I got my print. Not sure who this is. Oh, Eugene, Walking Dead. So I will definitely be putting this up on the community page for trade because I'm not a big. I watch the series, but I do not collect Walking Dead. So I will definitely be putting this up for trade. Very cool. It's got a nice signature. So again, for those of you guys that missed, I got the Kevin Conroy. This is their XL box. This thing sold out real fast, like 2.5 minutes. Very cool. And I got the Georgie, signed Georgie hand. I'll be putting that probably in my display case. And then I got the signed Walking Dead. Eugene signed this. I did not play the White Elephant because Zobie's coming out with the mystery Funko box. I'm gonna try to grab that, and gotta save for breaks, man. You know that. Plus, I mean, the stuff that they pulled, I wasn't the only one that I would like to get my hands on is the John Kassir Crypt Keeper. I'd like that one. And what was another one that they pulled out of there? The Kassir was nice. Yeah, I mean, plus for $35, but I understand that they had to make something, and on top of that for the shipping costs. So, but other than that, man, I want to show you guys what I've been doing in here. Let me see here. Oh, I got all my horror pops set up. I did this, man. I got my signed Alex Vincent in this display case, which turned out real cool. Hung up some of my my signed 8x10s and my Tyler Main. Got my little light up. See, I put all my arts and crafts stuff in my toolbox. I brought it up from out in the garage. And then I just got this in today, which is really sweet. It is my airbrush setup, so I can airbrush inside. I'm covering the camera, but it's just got a filter on it. It has like an exhaust that hooks up so I can vent it out the window. And then I got my little airbrush set up, so I will be doing commission pieces for you know, my Funko Pops and stuff. That'll definitely help out. But let's see here. All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off. So we'll see ya.